Hello, my name is Caitlin. Today we're going to sign drink. Drink.
Hello, my name is Nikki. What word did Caitlin say we were signing today?
Today, Nikki, we're going to sign the word drink. Nikki, what do you like to drink?
I like to drink juice. Juice.
Nikki likes to drink juice. Sign and say that with me. Nikki likes to drink juice. 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 Nikki, what else do you like to drink?
I also like to drink coffee. Coffee.
Nikki likes to drink coffee. Sign and say that with me. Nikki likes to drink coffee. 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 Nikki, what else do you like to drink?
I also like to drink tea. Tea.
Nikki likes to drink tea. Sign and say that with me. Nikki likes to drink tea. Tea. Tea.
Thank you for asking what I like to drink, Caitlin. Bye.
Thank you for telling me and signing. Bye.